my skin with your name. And take my passport out again and just replace it. See, I could do without a tan on my left hand, where my fourth finger meets my knuckle. And I should run you a hot bath and fill it up with bubbles. It's a bit of a silly song, this one. Maybe you're lovable, and maybe you're my snowflake, and your eyes turn from green to grey in the winter. I'll hold you in a cold place, and you should never cut your hair, 'cause I love the way you flick it up your shoulder. And you will never know just how beautiful you are to me. Maybe I'm just in love when you wake me up. And would you ever feel guilty if you did the same to me? Could you make me a cup of tea to open my eyes in the right way? And I know you love Shrek, 'cause we watched it 12 times. But maybe you're hoping for a fairy tale too. And if your DVD breaks today, you should have got a VCR, 'cause I've never owned a Blu-ray. True say, I do know. And I've always been shit at computer games, and your brother always beats me. And if I lost, I'd go across and chuck all the controllers at the TV. And then you'd laugh at me and be asking me if I'm gonna be home next week. And then you'd lie with me till I fall asleep and flutter eyelash on my cheek between the sheets. But you will never know just how beautiful you are to me. Maybe I'm just in love when you wake me up. And I think you hate the smell of smoke. It was trying to get me to stop. But you drink as much as me, and I get drunk a lot. So I'll take you to the beach and walk along the sand, and I'll make you a heart pendant with a pebble held in my hand. And I carve it like this necklace, so the heart falls where your chest is. And now a piece of me is a piece of the beach, and it falls just where it needs to be and rests peacefully. So you just need to breathe to feel my heart against yours now, against yours now. But maybe I'm just in love when you wake me up. Maybe I'm just in love when you wake me up. 'Cause girl, me want beyond you, put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever getting in my life. Girl, me just want me squeeze, yeah, put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever getting in my life, in my life.